Hi guys, welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes today. If you can't guess in front of me what we're going to be doing today, yes, you guessed it. We are making a frozen cake. Frozen 2 comes out, and I thought it'd be really fun to make an easy sheet cake today in my kitchen so that you guys can make it with your kiddos at home who are really big Frozen fans. They'll be able to help you with this. It'll be easy and your kids will love it. And I think you guys will too. So to start out, we need our pan. Look how cute it is. The blue, it's perfect frozen. I was so happy when I found this pan. I actually got it off Amazon and yes. Okay, and then we have our cake batter, and I dyed some blue because, I mean, it's frozen, guys. We're going all out frozen today. And I left some white. We're gonna do a marbling kind of look in our cake today to make it that much more fun. We also have our silicone snowflakes. We're gonna make some snowflakes out of chocolate and put them in our cake today. I have my already blue chocolate melts. We're gonna melt those up and put them into our molds, and I will walk you through it. I also have white ones because, I mean, we have some white snowflakes too. And of course, our snowflake sprinkles, because I'm telling you, all out frozen. It is a frozen day here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. We also need a few different piping tips because we're just gonna pipe away on this cake and just make it fun today. I have my 1M tip, my 4B tip. We are also going to be using our 21 tip. This is just another open star tip. And I think I'm gonna be using 104 today. All right, if you guys ready to be in the frozen mode, stick with me and we are gonna do this. To create our fun frozen cake, we're gonna alternate putting the different colors of batter. Now that we've got the batter in our pan, I'm just gonna run my spoon across it a little bit just to marble it. You can do it as much as you want or as little as you want. So I melted our chocolate melts, and now we're gonna put them in our snowflakes. We're not gonna fill them up all the way today because I don't want them to be super thick today, the snowflakes. Okay, now I just kind of bang them a little bit. And now I'm gonna pop them into the freezer for about 15 minutes. Our snowflakes have been in the freezer, so now we're gonna pop them out. I'm loving our snowflakes, but I feel like they need a little bit more shine because it is frozen we're talking about, and Elsa is all about the sparkles. So we're gonna hit them with a little bit of our sparkle. To achieve the sparkle look, we put our paintbrush in a little bit of water, and then we dip it into our sparkles here. And then we can paint it on if you'd rather do that, or we'll get it more sparkle, and we can kind of just fling it onto them. Okay guys, as you can see, my cake is baked. I am gonna be real with you today at Shalise Bakes Cakes. This cake dropped in the middle. And sometimes it just happens, guys. I don't know why, it happens to the best of us. But I just wanna show you guys that I am real. And I wanted to put it in here just to show you that it does happen and it's okay, and there are ways to rectify it. So I'm gonna give you all of my tips and secrets about how we fix cakes that have kind of caved in just a little bit. So to start out, we're gonna fill in this little hole just a little bit with some buttercream. So I'm just gonna, it doesn't have to be anything pretty. We're just kind of making it so it's a little bit more even. There we go. Now we're just gonna pipe over it. cannot tell that the middle fell. So I'm trying to teach you these tricks. I promise you, if you just do it, you guys can fix any mistake that you make. Most mistakes. Okay, not any, but most mistakes that you make. Now we're gonna add some cute embellishments to make it frozen. Now we are gonna add our snowflakes that we made just a little while ago. I feel like we should be singing Let It Go right now. No, I'm just teasing. We won't be singing today. I made this cake today because I want you guys to see that even if you don't feel like you're ready to make a stacked cake, this you can do. Anyone can make this sheet cake. And it is so fun and it looks so adorable. I mean, it's a frozen cake. Anyone can see that, and all these kids, they'll think you are amazing. Your kids will be like, holy crap, mom, dad, whoever makes it, you're awesome. Or you can have your kids help you and they will love it too. And it's a great way to practice your piping skills. That's what I love about these sheet cakes, is all you do, you get your piping bags, you fill them with your buttercream and put whatever piping tips you want, and you can practice, 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 and then you make an adorable cake on the way. I'm also gonna be making a frozen cake in the next few videos. It's gonna be a little bit more extravagant, but super fun, so watch for that because we're all frozen and excited around here because Frozen too! Also, I wanted to show you today my cake when it sank a little bit in the middle. I showed you because I'm trying to be real here at Chili's Bakes Cakes, and I want you guys to know that being a baker, you're gonna make mistakes and there's gonna be days that you're like, oh my gosh, what is happening here? It happens to the best of us, I promise you that, but I wanted you to know that you can rectify it. Most of the time, you can fix it. We just put a little bit more buttercream and then we piped over it and you can't even tell and nobody is the wiser. So I'm sharing all my secrets and all of my tricks with you guys. I hope you guys are having fun. Make sure and subscribe to this channel because there's lots more things happening here at Chili's Bakes Cakes. Follow me on Instagram at Chili's Bakes Cakes. I'm also on Twitter at Chili's Bakes and Facebook at Chili's Bakes Cakes. Have an awesome day, guys. Now I may go and sing Let It Go, so I'm out.